हेलो एवरीबॉडी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं डीप फेशिया ऑफ थाई एंड मॉडिफिकेशंस ऑफ डीप फेशिया ऑफ थाई की। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग सबसे पहले हम इस डायग्राम को समझ लेते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज द लेटरल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ हिप बोन एंड ये लेटरल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ थाई है। दिस इज द राइट साइड। ओके, राइट लेग है ये, ठीक है। सो हियर वी हैव दिस इज द टीबिया एंड दिस इज द फीमर बोन। और यहाँ से अगर हम देखेंगे सबसे पहले दिस इज द iliac crust. ओके, iliac crust है ये इलियम का। एंड here we have anterior superior iliac spine and anterior inferior iliac spine. इसी तरीके से posteriorly we have posterior inferior iliac spine. okay, and this is the sacrum and coccyx. So यहाँ से अगर हम देखेंगे this is the greater sciatic notch of ilium and after that we have lesser sciatic notch of ischium. okay, so these are the bony things which we can see in this diagram. Also here is the pubic tubercle. और अगर हमें inguinal ligament को ड्रॉ करना होगा सो हम इसे ऐसे ड्रॉ करेंगे। ओके, फ्रॉम एंटीरियर सुपीरियर iliac spine to pubic tubercle. So now let's talk about deep fascia of thigh. Okay, so deep fascia of thigh जो है, or we can say fascia lata. This fascia lata envelops the thigh like a sleeve. जो फेशिया लाता है ये थाई को, चाहे वो थाई का एंटीरियर कंपार्टमेंट हो, मीडियल कंपार्टमेंट हो या पोस्टीरियर कंपार्टमेंट हो, फेशिया लाता इन तीनों कंपार्टमेंट्स को कवर करता है लाइक ए स्लीव। ओके, सो अब जो टेंसर फेशिया लाता है, अब हम इसकी अटैचमेंट्स को देखते हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी सुपीरियर अटैचमेंट्स एंड उसके बाद इंफीरियर अटैचमेंट्स। सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सुपीरियर अटैचमेंट्स ऑफ फेशिया लाता। सुपीरियरली अगर हम देखेंगे जो फेशियल आता है, यहाँ पे डायग्राम में दिस इज द फेशियल आता है। ओके, एंड सुपीरियरली इट इज अटैच्ड टू एंटीरियर सुपीरियर iliac spine and to pubic tubercle and to inguinal ligament. Okay, now posteriorly it is attached to sacrum and coccyx. लेटरल साइड में अगर हम देखेंगे, जो हम देख रहे हैं दिस इज द लेटरल साइड, टू लेटरल साइड इट इज अटैच्ड टू iliac crust. ओके, उसके बाद मीडियली इट इज अटैच्ड to the pubis bone itself. Okay, and to the ischial tuberosity. So this is the ischial tuberosity. Okay, so these are the attachments, these are the superior attachments of tensor fascia lata. Now let's see the inferior attachment of tensor fascia lata. Inferiorly it is attached to the front and sides of the knee. जो fascia lata है, inferiorly it will be attached to the front and side of the knee. Okay, and to subcutaneous bony prominence and the जो joint capsule होगा किसका, knee joint का, यहाँ पे ये attachment show करेगा. Okay, so this was the inferior attachment of fascia lata. Okay, so basically जो fascia lata है up to thigh, it exists as tensor fascia lata, and after that it becomes iliotibial tract. Okay, so now this comes under the modification of the deep fascia of thigh, that is modification of fascia lata. Now let's see this modification. So fascia lata जो है ये दो modifications show करता है. First modification is the iliotibial tract, this is the iliotibial tract, and second modification is the saphenous opening. Okay, so first of all we will see the iliotibial tract. So this is the iliotibial tract. Okay, and it's about 2 inches wide. 2 इंच की width रखता है ये iliotibial tract. Okay, and जो fascia lata है, fascia lata जब as it becomes thickened on the lateral aspect of thigh, it forms this iliotibial tract. Okay, now let's see attachments. Superiorly जो iliotibial tract है, superiorly it splits into two layers. Okay, and it encloses these two muscles. सबसे पहले ये tensor fascia lata को enclose करेगा and यहाँ से ये gluteus maximus muscle को enclose करेगा. Okay, and it forms a single thickened sheet, that is this gluteal aponeurosis. So this is the superior attachment of iliotibial tract. Inferiorly जो iliotibial tract है, it is attached to the smooth area on the anterior surface of lateral condyle of tibia. Okay, so ये lateral aspect है, so it is attached to the lateral condyle of tibia. So this was the inferior attachment of the iliotibial tract. Now let's see the function of this iliotibial tract. Okay, जो iliotibial tract है, it stabilizes this knee joint. Okay, ये knee joint को stabilize करेगा. both during extension as well as in partial flexion. Okay, so extension के टाइम भी and partial flexion के टाइम भी जो iliotibial tract है ये knee joint को stabilize करता है. So this was about iliotibial tract, first modification of the deep fascia. Now let's see the second modification, that is the saphenous opening. Okay, so this is the second modification of fascia lata, that is the deep fascia of thigh, and this is the saphenous opening. Okay, so इस diagram में हम देख सकते हैं that this is the anterior aspect of thigh. यहाँ पे this is the anterior superior iliac spine. Okay, and this is the inguinal ligament, and this is the pubic tubercle. Now this oval opening, oval shaped opening is known as saphenous opening. Okay, so this saphenous opening, it is an oval shaped opening in the fascia lata. So fascia lata की ये opening है, it is an oval shaped, and it is located in the upper medial part of the thigh. Okay, and it is in front of the thigh. Now the center of this opening, it is located 4 centimeters below and 4 centimeters lateral to this pubic tubercle. Okay, so this is the location of the center of this opening. Now its vertical length measures about 3 to 4 centimeters. Okay, जो saphenous opening का जो region है, so यहाँ से this is the fascia lata. So fascia lata at this saphenous opening, it becomes twisted. Okay, to form, first of all it will form this saphenous opening, and after that it will form two strata. First one is the superficial stratum of fascia lata, and second is the deep stratum of fascia lata. Okay, now superficial stratum of fascia lata, it forms the well defined crescentric margin, that is inferolateral margin, and जो deep stratum of fascia lata है, it will form the ill defined medial margin. Okay, now inferolaterally, this is the inferior and lateral portion. Okay, जो opening है, it is bounded by sharp well defined crescentric falciform margin, and it is formed by the superficial stratum of fascia lata, and it lies in front of femoral sheath. While as medial side से अगर हम देखेंगे, medial side से जो opening है, it is bounded by ill defined medial margin, and it is formed by the deep stratum of fascia lata, and it lies behind the femoral sheath. Here it is formed by the deep stratum of fascia lata. Here it is formed by the superficial stratum of the fascia lata. And this side, inferolateral side, is sharp and well defined, while as medial side is ill defined. Okay. Now, अब जो ये saphenous opening है, saphenous opening is closed by a membrane of areolar tissue. So this is the saphenous opening. इसके ऊपर से एक membranous layer आती है. It is formed by areolar tissue. Okay. And इस fascia को हम बोलते हैं cribriform fascia. And this cribriform fascia, it is pierced by a number of structures. Okay, so this is the cribriform fascia. इस oval opening के जो ऊपर जो fascia आएगा, this is the cribriform fascia. As this cribriform fascia is perforated, it gives sleeve-like appearance. Okay, अब कौन कौन से structures यहाँ से pass होते हैं? Structures passing through cribriform fascia, सबसे पहले होगी great saphenous vein. Okay, so great saphenous vein इस cribriform fascia को pierce करके यहाँ से बाहर आएगी. Okay, उसके बाद superficial epigastric and superficial external pudendal vessels and few lymph vessels. Okay, so these are the structures which will pierce this cribriform fascia. So guys, this was all about the deep fascia of thigh, that is fascia lata. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए. Thank you guys.